Everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Today I'm super excited because we're going to be planting. Got a bunch of things to plant today. My brother hooked me up. He's, as I mentioned in previous videos, very knowledgeable about all sorts of different things related to gardening and plants, and knows all the good varieties and types to get to make sure they're disease resistant and work well in like permaculture kind of environment with no pesticides and chemicals and stuff. And he hooked me up with a bunch of stuff. So this is going to be an apricot tree, and right now I've just got it soaking here in the rainwater. I've talked previously in videos about harvesting rainwater and why it's important. But basically I just got a big bucket under my downspout here, and just got it soaking in there. So we're going to be planting this today. I'm also going to be planting this, which I'm super excited about, which is a persimmon tree. So hopefully that grows really well. So that's a nice little tree here, and the apricot tree is a lot bigger. We also got a bunch of flowers, and we got a bunch of strawberries. So we got about 10 strawberries and a lot of different flowers as well. And yeah, just looking forward to getting this stuff planted. We also want to get an apricot tree. Oh, sorry, a peach tree. This is the apricot, but they didn't have the variety that my brother recommended. So I'm going to keep looking around for that, and hopefully I can still find it. And if it means I have to wait till like August or in the fall time to get it, then that's what I'll do, or the next spring. But in either case, I'm going to be getting these in the ground, and I'll show you guys where I plant them, and yeah, just show you the next steps. Yes, all planted. My brother and his family came over. They helped me out. So we planted this apricot tree. It's looking good. I'm going to get some mulch over it in the next couple days, hopefully, and meanwhile I'll keep watering it. I didn't really want, or I didn't even really have time, even if I had wanted to, but I was a little bit hesitant to show you guys how we planted it, only because I don't feel like I'm an expert, and I didn't want to kind of give the idea that I am. So but basically I just describe it. But I would encourage, if anybody is going to be planting a tree, read up on it, get somebody to help you like I did with my brother. What we did was we dug the hole like way deeper than we needed just for the roots, and we did use a bare root tree, and we actually put in some like somewhat rotting logs like way down at the bottom, covered that with some soil, put in some of these little things, I don't even know what they're called, I'll put it in the description of the video. We put some of those in there, like these little, they almost look like little pasta shells. They're little like tubes. Those are apparently made from algae, and those help the plant with like water retention and what have you, and help the roots grow better. So we put some of that in, and then dirt, and now we've made a little like depression there just to make sure that when it gets watered and if it rains, that it basically can maintain good moisture levels. And of course I'm going to put mulch on it afterward. So that's what it's looking like now, and you can see that it has some flowers on there already. It's a good looking tree, so we'll see what happens. And I'm going to show you guys the strawberries next. So you can see one little strawberry patch that I did here. There's like 8 little strawberries there. They're basically in just 2 rows. And then I did one smaller batch of just 2 over here, because I just wanted to have a different area as well. And then hopefully, they'll be spreading. And I'm going to eventually kind of plant more stuff in here. But for now, that's all I got. And then there's some updates on the blueberries. They're starting to bud. So these are looking good now. You can see that they're coming out. At least these 2 anyway, the ones in the back, this one and this one. This guy's not doing anything yet, but that's not to say that it won't a little later. So we'll see, and I'll keep giving you guys updates. But yeah, for now, that's pretty much it. Looking forward to seeing these strawberries grow and that tree grow, and it's getting pretty late now, so I'm gonna have to call it a day. I'm gonna plant the persimmon on another day, and I'll show that to you guys too. Alright, hope you had a good one, hope you enjoyed this, and see you in the next one. Bye.